Alright, go ahead.
Hi.
Okay. Alright guys, it's me again. I thought I'd make a quick video. That was my kid. He likes to be part of the video. I have a padlock here that came in my box from Bosnian Bill. And it says Waterbury on there. 059. On the back it says US set. Look at the keyway. It's really small. And the key, look at the key. Really tiny. So it works okay. There's no ball bearings in there and it's key retaining. So let's see if we can get it popped open. And I'm gonna try top of the keyway tension. Top of the keyway tension. And I'm gonna use one of my sparrows because they're real small. They're good to get into these tight places. Real light tension, and see if I can get some of these pins set. One of the guys on YouTube was telling me that these locks were used by the US Navy for something. I don't know what, but maybe foot lockers or something like that. Just go to the back and work my way up to the front. See if I can get this thing popped open. Alright, there we go. Nice old lock. You put the key back in. There you go. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching, guys.